The Ninja CREAMi Deluxe Ice Cream Maker is designed to bring homemade frozen desserts to a whole new level. Unlike traditional ice cream makers, this machine transforms fully frozen ingredients into smooth and creamy treats with just the touch of a button. It features an impressive 11 one-touch programs, making it one of the most versatile frozen dessert makers available today. Users can create ice cream, sorbet, gelato, frozen yogurt, Italian ice, milkshakes, and even specialty drinks like creamiccinos. As a result, it offers something for nearly every taste and occasion. Whether someone enjoys classic vanilla ice cream or wants to experiment with creative recipes, this machine provides the flexibility to make a wide variety of frozen creations from the comfort of home. One of the standout features of the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe is its larger family-sized capacity. The included 24-ounce XL tubs hold 50% more than the original Ninja CREAMi containers. Consequently, families can prepare larger batches without needing multiple rounds of processing. Another unique advantage is the dual processing capability. This allows users to create two different flavors within the same tub. For example, chocolate chips can be mixed into one section while cookies or nuts are blended into the other. This feature is especially useful for households where family members have different flavor preferences. Furthermore, the included storage lids make it easy to freeze leftovers and enjoy them later without sacrificing freshness. In addition to convenience, the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe offers complete control over ingredients. This makes it an excellent option for health-conscious users. Whether someone follows a high-protein diet, prefers dairy-free alternatives, or wants low-sugar frozen desserts, the machine can accommodate those needs. It also supports keto-friendly and vegan recipes, providing flexibility that many store-bought desserts simply cannot match. At the heart of the machine is Ninja's advanced Creamify technology. Dual-drive motors work together with the creamerizer paddle to break down frozen bases into incredibly smooth textures. Unlike traditional methods, there is no need for pre-churning or constant monitoring. The process is straightforward, efficient, and designed to deliver consistent results every time. Another feature worth highlighting is the respin function. Sometimes frozen desserts may come out slightly thicker or icier than expected. In those situations, the respin option allows the machine to process the mixture again for a softer and creamier consistency. The package also includes everything needed to get started, including the motor base, 2 XL tubs with lids, an outer bowl, a specialized paddle, and a recipe inspiration guide. Overall, the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe Ice Cream Maker combines versatility, convenience, and customization into one powerful appliance. It is a great choice for families, dessert lovers, and anyone who enjoys creating personalized frozen treats at home. If this review was helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the link in the description to learn more about the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.